Chapter 7 Permutation and Combinations. We will continue this topic and today we will start the part 5. Here question 9 is how many words with or without meaning can be made from the letters of the word Monday. Here letter of the word Monday we have to use assuming there no letter is repeated. If first question is 4 letters are used at a time, and second question is all letters are used at a time, and third question is all letters are used but the first letter is a vowel. So look here the solution we can write. We have here Monday. How many letters are? N 6 letters and all are different. Okay. Now first question is we have to take 4 letters are used at a time. So you can write here when 4 letters are used, then number of words formed equal to NPR. N is here 6 and R is here 4. 6p4 we can write factorial 6 upon factorial 6 minus 4, and this we can write factorial 6 upon factorial 2, and this we can write 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 and into factorial 2 1 upon factorial 2. We can cancel these remaining numbers. We will multiply and we will get here 360. So number of words here 360. Second question, all the letters are used at a time. When all 6 letters are used, then number of words formed equal to NPR equal to N is here 6 and we have to take 6. So 6p6 we can write factorial 6 and factorial 6 we already know 720. If you not know, you expand this and you can write this value. Third question is all letters are used but first letter is a vowel. All letters are used means we have how many places? 6 places. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 places. This first place we have to use the vowels. So here we have to use vowels. Okay. And how many vowels are? First we have to check. Vowels are here O and A. O and A. So this first place we can fill by 2 way. And here no repetition is here. No letter is repeated. So look here, if we use from 6, 1 letter we use here. So remaining will be N equal to 5, and how many places? 1 2 3 4 5 places are equal to 5. So these places we can fill by 5p5. So we can write here that number of words if first is vowels, then 2 into 2 this, and this is 5p5, and 2 as it is we can write 5p5 is factorial 5, and factorial 5 value we know already 120, and we multiply we get 240. So 240 words we can prepare by this way. Question 10 is in how many of the distinct permutation of the letter in Mississippi do the 4 I's not come together? We have to prepare the number of permutations that 4 I's should not come together. So first of all we write this word here is Mississippi. MISSISSISSI. P and I. Here total the letters are 11. Total letters are 11, and look here we have I 4 times. 1 2, 3, 4. I we have 4 times. S we have 4 times. S we have 4 times. And P we have 2 times. P is 2 times. Now look here. This is like a M1, this is M2 and M3, and this is N. So total number of arrangements of all letters will be equal to factorial n upon factorial m1, factorial m2 and factorial m3, and this is equal to factorial 11 upon factorial m1 is 4, m2 is also 4, and m3 is here 2. We have to solve these. For that 11 we can open 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into factorial 4, and we can write here this factorial for 1 as it is, and second factorial we have to open 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and this 2 factorial 4 factorial we can cancel this. We have to cancel here this 4 and 8 we can cancel. This is 4 1 ja 4 2 ja, then 2 and 2 we can cancel, 3 2 ja 6 6 we can cancel. Remaining numbers are 11 into 10 into 9 into 7 into 5, and these we multiply, we get 34650. Okay, this number we will get. Now here we will take 4 i's are kept together and act as one letter. Then what will happen? Look here, till 4i we keep together, this 4i we keep together, and remaining are here m, s, 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 p, p, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, all we write here. Look at these 4 we write as a one letter. This is the 1, and the second, third, fourth, fifth, 6th, 7. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now these 8 letter, so here we can say these are total letters are 8, n equal to 8, and here this is act as a one letter. So this s we have 2 times, sorry, s we have 4 times, and p have 2 times, and look at this I we can arrange in one time, one way only. Okay, this because this 4 we have, and 4 all are repeating, so this is only one way. So here if 4 i's are together, then number of arrangements equal to, we can write here this is n equal to 8, and m1 m2 these are 4 and factorial 2. If you want, you can write here formula n upon m1 and m2. This is a factorial 8 we open, 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into factorial 4, and factorial 4, and this 2 into 1. Factorial 4 factorial we can cancel. Look here, this we will cancel this 2 and this 4 we get. So remaining are 4 into 7 into 6 into 5, and these we multiply, we get 840. So if i's are together means we get 840, and here is 1 means we have only one. This is so look here, if we have total number are here these, and from these are the i's are together, means in question we have to find that 4 i's are not come up together. So we can write here the required number of words in which eyes are not together. For that, these total numbers are 34650, and from that we subtract 840, and we will get here 33810. So these are the numbers that is not I we will not have together. So all operation, this is a very important question you have to do. Look at one question is, this is very important. In how many ways can the letters of the word permutation be arranged if the first question is words start with P and end with S? Second question, vowels are together. And third question is, there are always 4 letters between P and S. So look here the word, look here first we write the solution. In solution, this word is given permutation. Look here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here the numbers are 12. Total numbers are 12. And here we can see that this T is 2 times. T we have 2 times. Okay. Now here first question is, what is? First question is the word start. First question is the word start with P and end with S. So word start with P and end with S. Look here, this type conditions we will have here. This P start with P and end with S. Total are 12 places. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 places are blank here. So we can write here n equal to 10, and we have to take all this letter, means we have to use this r equal to also 10. 10 letters are remaining, 10 we have to use, and t we have 2 times. T we have 2 times. Okay. For this the number of words we will have factorial n upon factorial m1. Okay, or m you can write. Factorial n is here 10 and factorial m is here 2. Factorial 10 value, if you know, you can write. Otherwise you can open this. Look here. Factorial 10 value is this upon 2, and we will divide here. We get here 1814400. Okay, if you not know the value of 10, factorial 10, you can expand and you can calculate. Now here the second question is, vowels are all together. Vowels, how many vowels are? First we have to check. Vowels are here E, U, A, I and O. Here these are 5 vowels are. Okay, and look at these, we have to take together. Look at these 5 vowels you take together. Remaining, look at 5 we take here, means 7 are remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are remaining. Look at this, will act as a 1 letter. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Look here, all vowels will act, the vowels, all vowels, all 5 vowels will act as 1 letter, and then all 8 letters. Look here, this will be act as a 1 letter, means total will be 8 letter, and T 2 times can be arranged by look here these are 8 letter, means these are 8 letter, means we can write factorial 8, and we have 2 times this repeated, means factorial 2, and factorial look here, this we have, and followed by we can write these vowels, 5 vowels can be arranged by factorial 5 way. Okay, factorial 5 way means these are 5, and we have to take all 5, means these can also be arranged in factorial 5 way. So total number of permutations equal to, we have to multiply this factorial 8 upon factorial 2, we have to multiply by factorial 5, and factorial 8 we know already, factorial 8 is 40320, okay, and upon 2, and factorial 5 we know already 120. This we can cancel, we will get here 10160, and these we have to multiply, we will get here 2419200. So these are total number of permutations if vowels are together. Here third question is, there are always 4 letters between P and S. P and S, there will be always 4 letters. So look here how we can write first these. Look here, if there are 4 letters between P and S, we have to prepare this first. Look here is P, then here is 4 letter will be 1, 2, 3 and 4, then S will be. So total we have 12 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are here, and 6 we have to prepare all these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, total 12 places we have. All of you understand this? Now look here, this is the first case I write here. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So look here, if we fix first case if P8 first place and S8 sixth place, then remaining how many places? 10 places. 10 places where T 2 times can be filled by look here, these are 10 places we have to fill, means we can write here factorial 10 and T 2 times, so we can write factorial 2, and these we have this already we done in question. Look here, we can check this same question, we factorial 10 upon factorial 2 already we calculated. This we can write here 1814400. So we can write here 1814400. Okay, this is the first case. Same as it is, similarly we have second case. Second case, P8 second place and S8, this S8 seventh place. Third case, we will have P8 third place and S8 eighth place. Same as it is, next is fourth case, P8 fourth place and S8 ninth place. The next is fifth case, P8 fifth place and S8 10th place. Then sixth case, P8 sixth place and S8 11th place. Okay, and seventh case P8 seventh place, and S8 12th place. After 12th place we not have any place, you can check. So we have total 7 case, and this P and S can be interchanged by factorial 2, or we can write two way. Means first we can write P, then we write S, or we can write S then P, because in question there are 4 letters between P and S. Means it is not fixed that P is first and S is second. Okay, you can write any P or S. So total, we can write here total number of permutation. Look here, we have this total is 1814400. This case we have 7 times, we have same case. This is first case, we have the answer. Same case in second, third, fourth, fifth, 7 times we have to repeat, and 2 case that P and S we have to repeat. So these all we have to multiply, and we will get here the answer is 25401600. So look here, this is the answer.